Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. So we've got some pasta. I'm using penne. We're going to make a meat sauce with tomato, you know, regular kind of bolognese type meat sauce. We're going to add cream, we're going to add cheese. We're going to throw it all together, chuck it in the oven. Oh yeah. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's get started. So I've got some ground or minced, whatever you call, beef. I've got 500 grams there, which is about a pound. 1 can of tomatoes. That was a whole plum tomato that I've just crushed up with my hand. When I say 1 can, I'm in a 400 ml. 3 cups of cooked pasta. I'm using penne. 1 tablespoon of garlic. 2 teaspoons of oregano. 1 cup of onion. Salt, pepper, olive oil. Let's get moving. Skillet, pan, wok. You're going to need something like that, obviously. In there, I've got some olive oil. I'm using 3 tablespoons there. The heat is on. I've just put it on. So we're on above medium. So in that goes. In goes the garlic. And we're also going to add the ground beef right now. Right, we're going to break this down. We're going to mix this in. I'll be back in about 4 minutes. So we want to be cooking that until the redness of the meat has gone. 2 teaspoons oregano. Now, if you want, stick something else in there. Basil, marjoram, tarragon, rosemary, thyme. Add some chili powder if you like. 1 can tomato. Like I say, that was a whole tomato that I crushed up. Salt and pepper. Stay on this above medium heat, 6 minutes. So that's looking absolutely beautiful. Okay, we're going to go for the creamy, cheesy end of things now. So, 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan. 1 cup grated cheddar. You can use a strong or a mild, that's up to you. 250 ml of cream. I'm using a thick cream, thick or thin. All works out the same. Won't matter which one you use. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to get our pasta in. I'm using the cooked penne pasta, but of course you could use any pasta you want. Just a couple of minutes, we're going to stir this around. We can move on to the next step. So I've now decanted all of our pasta and its lovely sauce into an oven-proof tray. I'm using metal. You can use glass, you can use ceramic, as long as it can go in the oven. So, nice layer there. Simply cheddar cheese on the top. You could add some more Parmesan if you wanted. I'm just going with cheddar. We're going to pop that in the oven. Now, get your oven on. Your oven needs to be preheated and hot. I'm not going to tell you any temperatures, just maximum. Everything here is cooked. We're just going to melt the cheese on there and hopefully make it just look lovely. That's going to go in my oven. I would estimate at this stage, really, really hot oven. Now, all ovens are different, of course. That's going to go in for about 12 minutes, I'd say. And there we have it. Super, super easy. Lovely. Stick that on the table. Bit of salad and stuff like that. The whole family can tuck in and eat that. Fantastic. I hope you enjoy that. I'll speak to you soon. You keep safe. You keep well. Lots of love.